What's up, guys? Dennis here. Today I'm going to show you how to start this 5.7 right here with a different technique than my previous videos. We're going to use the jumper leads right here, 2 of them. Nothing special. So for one, we're going to connect to here, and then we're going to connect that to the positive of the ignition coil. This right here is the positive coming from the battery right here. We're going to connect that right to, see that little spark there? Okay, so we know we got power there. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to hook up the starter solenoid, which is this one right here. So we're going to go to that, and in order to get that to operate, we're going to connect this lead to the positive source. So with any luck, if you get back a little bit, now I'm going to crank this thing over, it should fire right up. I say that and it doesn't, of course. And remove our positive lead from the ignition coil. In order to fire it back up, little spark, no big deal. Yellow and red from off the side of the solenoid again. Yellow and red. Watch yourself. Back to our positive source up on the top. Alrighty guys, so that was starting a 5.7 without the boat or key or anything, and hearing it run. Alrighty, till the next one. Later.